Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your Roblox account's QR code or barcode on PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application on computer, and if we want to get our QR code, the step is very simple. We just need to click on our profile here, and this is my profile, and we can click on this barcode icon. Alright, and this is my Roblox account's QR code. And then we can let others scan our Roblox QR code with the QR scanner. And then we can be friends. We can add friends by scanning this barcode. Or you can copy your profile link and share it to your friends so they can add you as their friend. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!